Isikhulu seCeltic uMax Tshabalala nongusomabhizinisi othengisa izakhiwo sathenga leli qembu ngoNtulikazi wango-2014 silithenga kulowa engumdlali nomnikazi waleli qembu isikhathi eside uDimitri Jimmy Augusti. uTshabalala uthi indaba ezithi uselithengisile leli qembu azilona iqiniso kepha akafunanga ukwenaba ngokuphawula kommeli wakhe otshele abeyindaba ukuthi leli qembu sekusele kancane lithengiswe. Kanti ummeli wakhe uMandla Tshabalala wenqabile ukuphinde aphawule.
I was just praying that someone would come and then say, okay, I'm buying Celtics, but then Celtics will remain in Bloemfontein.
It's bad for me, and I feel it's going to generate a lot of anger from the residents and the fans and everyone.
Lokhu akona okokuqala ukuthi uTshabalala azame ukuthengisa leli qembu. Ngonyaka odlule kwabhuntsha isivumelwano sokulithengisa ngemva kokuhoxa komnikazi weqembu eligijima ku-ABC Motsipe League uSinkile Shabane kanye nowayesikhulu somasipala waseTshwane uMweketsi Mosola ngenxa yesikweleti seSARS seyigidi engaphezulu kwama-40 zamarandi.
The team cannot be sold. Otherwise, anybody who sells the team, I'm going to interdict him, will go to court, then the court will decide.
Kule minyaka emithathu edlule uhulumeni wesifundazwe iFree State usuxhase iCeltic ngemali engaphezulu kwegidi yezine zamarandi. Ngaphezulu kwalokho lesa sifundazwe sesichithe ngaphezulu kwegidi eyingama-60 zamarandi ekulungisweni kwenkundla iDr Patrice Molemela.
Ubangaba iyahamba phakathi kwemangawo kuzakufanele inkokheli ze-municipality zibuyele emva zize ngeplan ezi-different because sesiqhele ukuba xa siplanayo as the city siplane ngoba iCeltics yipart noba yifiber ye-municipality.
Umnikazi weqembu iTS Galaxy uTim Sukazi uqinisekisile ukuthi kube nezingxoxo neCeltic kepha ubengafuni ukuphikisana nokusho ummeli waleli qembu.